Hi, welcome to Brilliance. Today we're going to fund your MetaMask wallet. The first thing you want to do is check the network after you open MetaMask. Today we're in Ethereum. The next you click buy, and then I'll take you to certain vendors that will offer you services to fund your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, there's MoonPay, Wire, Transact. We actually prefer and recommend Transact for a couple of reasons. It seems to be the most flexible of the three. So the first thing you do is you set the amount of money that you'd like to pay. So, and then to the right, you can also set the denomination. So we're using USD or, dollars. And then after that, you can pick your payment type. So you can use your credit card. Apple Pay is not available at this time. And there's also Google Pay. You can also see the fees. You can see the exchange. And then you can also see what you'd be getting returned in ETH at the bottom of the screen. When you're ready and you're satisfied with your selection, you can push buy. Now, if you want to fund on Polygon, you could do that too. So the first thing you want to do is go to MetaMask, change your network to Polygon. And then again, same steps. You click buy. One thing you'll notice here is that there are different vendors. So there's Transact and MoonPay, but what you see is that Wire is missing. And that's because Wire does not offer the option of buying directly on the Polygon at this time. You click on the connect to the vendor of your choice. And again, we chose Transact. And it's the same. The difference here is that you can see that there is MATIC, is the currency of the Polygon network, as the cryptocurrency that you'll be receiving, as opposed to ETH, which was when you're on the Ethereum network. But it's the same process. Thank you.